Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, a big welcome. If today is the first time of tuning to my channel, a big welcome. Thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Bella Good. So here we do a little bit of everything, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more beautiful videos like this. Okay, so today I will be sharing with you the simplest way on how you can turn your black hair into a dark chocolate brown without you bleaching your hair. Okay, so the good part about this process is that your hairs are not going to go through the bleaching process. So we're going to be using just one product, which is known as the oxidizing cream. You can use a peroxide and you can also use a developer. That works as the same. Okay, and another thing you need to do is that make sure every strand of your hair gets this product. Okay, don't be selfish with this product when you're going through this process. Make sure you are generous with this product. Okay, so when you are doing this, please don't use your bare hands. Okay, that is a warning. Okay, so all I'm doing is just making sure every strand of the hair gets enough product. So that is the easiest way so your hair can be tuned, because this is not a bleaching process. Okay, and the good part about this process is that the hair is going to be coming out real beautiful. The strands will still be intact as usual because the hair is not going to be going through the bleaching process. Okay, so that is that. Now I just wrap this up with a foil paper, but if you have a hair tight paper bag, that works faster. Okay, so after wrapping this with the foil paper, I discovered that about 1 hour later the process is still slow and I want something a bit faster. So, and I just decided to wrap this up in a paper bag. Okay, you can use a paper bag for faster results. And I left this for about 3 hours, and after that I just washed it off with a conditioner and styled it, and that is it. So the hair came out real beautiful. The color came out as I wanted it, dark chocolate brown, and the strands are still intact, healthy, no bleach. Okay, and that is it, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.